Yo, Santi.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Your front lip is ready, bro.
You want me the front lip?
This is my little brother Santi. In a few weeks is his 18th birthday and he drives one of the cleanest M340s out there. He thinks today we're just gonna replace his front lip, but little does he know we have a massive surprise for him.
Holy fuck, yo, this shit's insane. Guys, today's gonna be a good one because my brother has no idea, but today we are swapping from this aluminum stock ugly hood to this crazy carbon fiber one. This is literally a complete surprise. He has no idea we're gonna do this. I don't know if you guys have seen my channel before, but you guys might have seen the video where we surprised him with the front mount intakes. Also unrelated, I just realized like today, this is like not scripted or anything. This lip completely fell off.
Oh my god, bro.
And honestly, Santi never even told me. I don't even think he noticed that it fell off. So I guess let's go ask him what happened because as you guys know, carbon fiber lips are definitely not cheap. And then after that, of course, we're gonna install the carbon fiber hood. It's a pretty easy install. It's literally like 4 bolts, so we can surprise him while he's literally upstairs doing whatever the hell he's doing. We don't have to like send him to school with my G80 like last time, which was sketchy as fuck.
Flashback.
You want to explain this right here? That was not me, bro.
End of flashback.
So let's go upstairs and ask him what the fuck happened to that lip. So peep the buckets real quick. Ooh. Yo.
What's good, bro?
What's up, Santi?
What's good?
Dude, I have a question for you, bro.
Yeah.
What the fuck happened to your front lip, man?
Yo, you don't want to know, bro. I was going down the highway. It was a rainy day, and I think I like drove fast in a puddle, and it just like, bro, it's like it was never there.
Oh my god, dude. Are you planning on like replacing it or what?
I mean, with Karvo Carbon.
Oh shit.
Hopefully soon. I don't know. I actually don't know when I'm gonna get a new lip.
Dude, the car kind of looks plain without it, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
You want me to install a new one? I can.
Yeah, I know. You should. I'd really appreciate that.
Alright. We'll install a new lip. Alright, what are you editing?
New YouTube video.
Yo, Pete.
World Cup vlog.
World Cup vlog. Santi's a DJ, so check him out. What's your YouTube channel?
For music.
Alright, check him out.
You can put it in like the.
I'll put it in. Check him out on all socials, bro. He's a good ass DJ in Miami. Alright, so we might do the lip today, might do it tomorrow. I don't know. I'll let you know, alright?
Okay,
Leave me
bye.
home?
Alright, yeah, I'm chilling.
Alright, guys, so you heard him. I think we're gonna replace the lip too. So let's go get that thing right now. I think we're gonna do the lip before the hood because I feel like it'll like the lip kind of brings up the whole car all together, and then the hood is just adds on top of it with all the aggressiveness. So let's get the lip on first, and then we'll throw on the hood and get his reaction. So if you guys don't already know me, I actually do own a carbon fiber company. So like Santi's pretty much set when it comes to carbon. This is our showroom. I think I showed you guys it one time, but like we made it a lot better, made a lot of improvements. So now we have, of course, the wall of front lips. This is like 5 different styles of lips that we offer for the G80. We do have like two others on the site, but these are the main ones. Here we have all the spoilers. So there's like 5 different styles. We're supposed to have grills here. I think we probably installed one on an M4 yesterday. That's probably why it's not there. M340 grills, mirror caps, all this stuff here. But the company is growing, and I have a huge announcement that I'm making on Monday on my Instagram. I'm not gonna lie, guys, we're growing really quick, and I'm super hyped, super blessed to all the customers that support us. And it's gonna be big what happens on Monday. And of course, we're having a 4th of July sale right now. Today is 4th of July at the time of filming. So these are some of the orders we're shipping out. Anyways, let me stop talking and get this guy's lip. All right, guys, so we got the lip for him. This thing is gonna look insane. Let's open up next to the car and mount it a little bit to see what it looks like before we install it. All right, guys. Oof, check out that carbon. Oh my God. All right, so let's see how this thing looks. Pretty sure you just mount it up just like that. How does that look? Go from far? What do you think, bro?
Fire.
Bro, I actually love how it wraps around the bumper here. When we add the middle piece and everything, you guys will see the vision, but I'm already starting to love it. So I guess, of course, we have to jack this thing up because it's on coils, so it's super low. And then we're gonna show you guys how to install this front lip. It should be pretty easy though, since it has pre-drilled holes. So it's literally just the OEM bolts. It's not hard to install at all. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, this is my G80 M3. It has a bunch of carbon fiber on it. And believe it or not, the hood, the fenders, and everything is carbon fiber. It's just paint matched. So pretty much the whole thing was exposed, and then we painted the little lines here. We painted the little fenders there. And of course, we just finished painting the carbon trunk, which looks so good. So I think in terms of paint for this car, I kind of want to leave the hood completely exposed since we already are fucking around too much with the paint match on this car. So maybe we could do some like an exposed hood here. Maybe do exposed fenders if, you know, it allows. And I really want to swap an M3 carbon fiber roof onto this car. That would be absolutely insane, especially since this M340 is the king of fake M's with the interior swap. Anyway guys, so right now we're jacking off the car so we can install the lip, and then we're gonna do the hood right after. This thing looks so boring without it. All right, so we just gotta undo all the bolts under the car.
Oh, shit. What's up, bro?
What's up? What's up, bro? Yo, we're doing a front lip on Santi's car, and also, look over there, carbon hood. What do you think?
This is dry carbon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't rain recently, so it's probably dry. Yeah, it is pretty dry. Trim.
You like it?
Yeah.
Check out, we're doing this lip. We're doing a new lip on it. The Adro style lip. Look. I mean, I already installed one corner of it. What do you think so
It's
far?
a 3-piece.
It's a 3-piece. Yeah. Let me hold up this so you can see what it's gonna look like. Check it. What do you think? It's gonna look badass, huh?
Pretty dope.
You know he doesn't know we're doing the hood.
What?
He doesn't know we're doing the hood. It's like a surprise. Guys, holy shit, this looks absolutely insane. This lip is so aggressive. Honestly, with the black, it looks so good too. The way it scoops up on the corners like that. This is gonna be insane, especially now since we're doing the hood. This front end is gonna be perfect. By the way, the fitment on this thing is absolutely spot on. Karvo does offer this lip in wet and dry carbon. If you guys need it, I'll put the link in the description. So now, let's get to it. Final piece, just add on the badge. And guys, we should be done here. Let's see it. Oh my god. Yo, this shit looks insane. What the fuck? I don't think I've ever seen more carbon in my life. We have the carbon grill, carbon hood, carbon badge. This is insane. Even the front lip ties in super nicely with the new hood. This front end is just absolutely crazy. Dude, I've never been so turned on in my life. I'm dead ass, bro. All right, guys, so now that we finished, it looks absolutely insane. It's time to get Santi's reaction, so let's go get him. All right, let's go get him. Ready? Yo, Santi,
Yo, what's good, bro?
your front lip is ready, bro.
You want me the front
Come,
lip?
let's go look.
Okay, bet.
You excited, bro?
What lip is it?
It's, you'll see.
Okay, bet.
Come, do that, bro. Wait, close your eyes.
Wait, yo. Close my eyes? What the fuck? No, yo, holy fuck, yo, this shit, yo, this shit's insane. Yo, what the fuck? This lip is way better than the last one.
Yo, fuck the lip. What's that shit on the top, bro?
No, the hood is insane. Yo, yo, holy shit. Bro, I did not know you had a hood on you. I thought you sold them all.
Nah, bro.
You
I had
saved
one
me
more
one.
hood just for you.
That's insane.
The lip. It's the Adro style
It's a
lip.
little dirty.
Nah, we're drilling, that's fine. But it's the Adro style lip with the CS style hood.
Nah, this shit's insane.
It's good for the daily or not?
Yes, bro. I feel like it looks so much faster now.
Dude, you're gonna be pulling all the badges.
Wait, and how did you get the badge to go with it? This looks insane.
Yeah.
The carbon badge.
all that?
How did you even do that?
You took it off? No, just threw it on, bro. Took it off, threw it on.
I'm not pay matching this.
Exposed the world, huh?
Where would I even pay match it?
You like if you were to pay match it, you would do all around here and then leave here exposed. You know what I mean? I'll show you pictures. Like you pay match all of it and then leave this line exposed. But dude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like we have that car pay matched. Fuck it, leave this one exposed. Yeah.
Nah, yeah, not leave it exposed. That is black.
Nah, yeah, it's straight. Absolutely right.
Damn, bro, I was not expecting this at all, bro. What the fuck, yo? I can't wait to show my boys this shit. This is actually insane, dude. I thought you were just gonna give me the lip.
Nah, bro. We're in a little extra.
The lip is already insane itself.
The lip is tough.
This is way better than my old lip.
Just be careful when driving, because this one's I think it's a little more aggressive on the sides, like right here especially.
Yeah.
But this one uses like the OEM bolts though, so it's less likely to fly off on high speeds or like while it's raining or whatever, like the other one. So, but like still you gotta be careful with the corners and shit, because you can scrape the curves and stuff. All right, yo, let's hear this thing, bro.
Holy shit, bro. Day one as a Karvo Carbon hood owner.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. I think it has catalyst downpipes.
It's not gonna change anything.
Stock
It's
exhaust.
still the same.
No, I still want to hear the car, bro. I want to hear it, man. Not bad, not bad. We're getting the IRL shit soon, though, so IRL exhaust is getting way better. Let's hop in, huh?
Bro, I feel like the carbon hood made it sound louder. I don't know why. It just looks faster.
Yo, so you were not expecting that, huh?
At all, bro. I thought I was just gonna get a new lip, you know, just same old. Cause I already like, I told you guys that I actually like my lip is on the highway right now. It's getting ran over by trucks every single day.
That's fun.
But now I got new lip, new aura.
You think this lip is better than the other one you had?
Yeah,
For sure.
Bro, it would look way better with like the lip right now looks way better with the hood. I think
It's more aggressive.
Yeah, it's actually dope. Is it the Adro?
Agile style, yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's probably my favorite lip for the M340.
Yeah. Is that one the one you used to have?
No, I've never had. Bro, I've always had fake carpet on my shit. Ever since you got the car, I don't think I actually had Carvo, so I just had eBay lips.
Should I hit a little
little bull?
Yeah, a little bull.
Go hit a bull.
Just get pulled over for the car.
Imagine. Yeah, you need exhaust. Careful. How do you like the intake so far?
Intake is fire. When I had the dump, I didn't even know, like I couldn't feel I had an intake at all. But now it's actually really fire. Let me farm the intake.
Run on the
You got it,
window.
yeah.
Run on the window. Damn.
Holy shit.
Fucking flying back here.
Yo, why is it low-key cooking? It's because of the hood. It's because of the hood.
The hood makes it louder, bro.
Yo, I don't. Damn. We're definitely getting pulled over.
Nah, it's really fun.
Security card comes good.
Fuck that guy, bro. Did you record him yesterday?
Yeah.
Like we did, we'll put a clip right here. But some guy was like, we built a full M4 for a guy yesterday, full kit, front, rear, straight, front, rear, sides, everything. And then we went there to go take some pictures. The security guy fucking blocked us and ruined the shoot, bro.
Really?
He was being hella rude.
The
and
one
shit,
in
though.
this bridge?
Dude, you know the guy that when you get in, he always makes you roll down the window.
Yeah, I know.
Bro,
That
he's
guy's
such a dickhead, bro.
He came in here and was like, you guys better leave before I leave. Yeah, but yo, I honestly don't even know how to feel now that I have a hood. Like, dude, I thought I was gonna get one maybe in like a year or something. Like, this is actually insane.
Your car's officially riced out.
Yeah, no, now it's like, it's beautiful. Like, this was like, I was trying to get a hood for so long. I thought it would be so sick on my car. Now we actually like, Serge surprised me with this shit. This is actually insane.
Yeah.
Where?
I think
Dude,
right here.
It's a nice day.
Right here, right here.
Holy shit.
This car looks absolutely insane.
It's super bright right now, but like I can just tell once it's night, dude, this is actually insane. Just
Yeah.
like I'm LARPing this.
Cause it's looking kind of like a little Batmobile type of spec. So I guess we're gonna go to like the Brightline or some shit, maybe something like that. A dark spot at night with some clean like white lights.
Yeah, bright light.
Yeah. It makes like the matte paint kind of more
What could make this even more tough?
carbon
Other than
fenders.
sound.
Carbon fenders for sure. I think it looks like it's missing that. And then of course obviously the rear end is fucking lacking so bad, dude. We're gonna add a new diffuser soon in the future. Either we're gonna do the FD design or the Adro style. But no, once we get the rear end locked in, it's gonna look sick. And remember something? We have the IRL exhaust on the way
Yes, sir.
for this car. Brand new exhaust for this thing. Gonna look fucking sick. I have an IRL exhaust on my G80 and it sounds absolutely insane. Highly suggest that you guys go check them out. It sounds super good for the G80. And they just came out with the same type of exhaust, but for this platform, and it should sound pretty good too, but you guys will see in the future.
And you know, low key, how the front is like amazing and that back is so ass. It's low key like a girl that has like really nice tits.
And
But
then
but no ass.
no ass. Oh
Like,
shit.
it's really bad.
That's low-key facts. And yo, I don't know if you noticed, but look at this shit. You have really bad condensation on your light.
Yeah. Evaporation, condensation.
Yeah, Santi, dude, we took a heat gun to it. Went like crazy with the heat gun, and it went away, and then it came back like literally 2 minutes later. I think you might have a leak or
No,
some
because I
shit.
swear I had one like a couple months ago. It was going for like a week and it went away.
It's not. I don't think that's gonna go away. Cause we got rid of it. It came right back.
All right, okay, wait. We shouldn't go to Brightline if this is bad though.
Temporarily, like if you
It's
drive
not
there,
really worth it. We should fix it first.
if you drive there with the high beams on, it melts the water off. It'll go away for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah, but like we don't. Yeah. Like we can still go, but I'm just saying, like, bro, imagine it gets bad if we just like do it.
I hope not, bro.
We just like, or we can just try to hide it.
Yeah. By the way, guys, we haven't really adjusted the fitment. We kind of just did like a little one try, but it's not bad at all. The
Oh, yeah,
gaps
I
are
mean-
pretty chill.
Wait, could you like pop it up? Like, how does that work?
Pop the hood?
Like, does it like go up really fast?
No, it's chill. It's not bad at all. But yeah, no, we do need to adjust it a little bit because we kind of just wanted to show you quickly. We just wanted to throw it on and show you, but we're gonna adjust the fitment a little with the grill, with the side gaps.
Yeah,
But,
it's sort of, like, fitment is kinda big.
But even just like first try, it's not bad. Not bad at all. This car is badass. You want to get a little roller, like drive-by clip, and then we're good. Damn. Guys, holy shit. This car turned out so good. We even adjusted the fitment a little bit, so now everything looks absolutely perfect. This car is just insane. Santi, what do you think?
I'm still starstruck. I never thought I would be able to own a carbon hood. But thank you to the man behind the camera, Serge Whips. And I can't wait for my first day of school. I'm about to pull all the bitches.
When's school tomorrow, right?
Thursday.
Thursday. This car is gonna be stunning at school. Looks so good, bro. This hood is actually so insane. The car's a little dirty right now, but I think we're gonna do maybe some PPF or something like that, maybe some ceramic coating just to protect it. Even the lip too, just it looks so good, guys. If you want to do some carbon fiber to your M340 or literally any other BMW for that matter, definitely check out karvocarbon.com. I'll leave the link below because they have literally everything: hoods, trunks, side skirts, front lips, literally anything you can imagine for any Beamer. So specifically, I left below the front lip link. They have the LCI and the Pre-LCI 80 style lips, as well as a link for the hood. So go check that out, guys, and use code SURGEWHIPS for 5% off. But that is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching because I definitely enjoyed making it for you guys. Next step for this car, we're doing the diffuser, the exhaust, a couple good stuff for the back. I know Santi's hyped for that. Make sure to go check out his channel at Fur Music on all social media. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.